In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create glowing letters in Canva. We'll use Canva's built-in neon effect to turn ordinary text into eye-catching, luminous lettering. Start by opening the design you're working on so you can see the page where your text lives. Once your project is on screen, click the piece of text you want to glow. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it and the text toolbar appears at the top of the editor. With the text selected, look along the top toolbar for the Effects button. This opens Canva's Text Effects panel. If you don't see it, double-check that the text is actively selected. In the Effects panel, choose Neon. The moment you click Neon, Canva applies a soft, radiant glow around your letters. No complicated settings required. From here, you can fine-tune the look using the intensity control. Slide it down for a delicate, understated glow, or push it higher for a bold, vibrant halo that really stands out. Take a second to view your text at normal zoom. Sometimes a glow that looks subtle up close will read perfectly at full size, while an overly strong glow can make letters blur together. Aim for a balance that keeps your words crisp and readable. To change the glow color, simply change the text color from the standard color control on the top toolbar. Because the neon effect tints the glow to match your font color, picking a new color instantly transforms the light around the letters. Bright, saturated hues, like electric blues, vivid pinks, or lime greens, tend to deliver that classic neon sign vibe. For best visibility, pair your glowing letters with a contrasting background so the light edge has room to shine. Glows often look their best on darker themes, where the soft edge can separate the text from photos or gradients. A couple of quick design notes for polish. You might notice that thicker letter forms showcase the glow more clearly than ultra-thin scripts, and short words or headlines usually pop more than dense paragraphs. Also, keep an eye on spacing. Generous letter spacing can help the glow breathe so each character stands out. And that's all it takes. Select your text, open Effects, choose Neon, adjust the intensity until it feels right, and set a color that matches your style. In just a few clicks, your design goes from flat to glowing, clean, simple, and ready to catch the eye. If you're presenting on screen or social media, this subtle glow is perfect for thumbnails, titles, and callouts, drawing attention without overwhelming the rest of your layout.